Today we are looking for Pokeballs. Let's go over to the tree. Let's go. Okay. Oh, that was so much fun. I gotta go somewhere like your two goggles. Oh, finally! I caught it! Me too. Look what I caught.
What did you catch there,
Look,
Jax?
I'm catching all of these. Snuckin. What's that? Snuckin. Oh! I've caught so many Pokemon today. Jackson, look at it. Ugh. Ugh. Have the eels came out? No hands. I'm floating. Yippee! That was fun.